Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. I hope everybody's doing good today. I have a few products from Modelones.com. They sent me another one of their top and base coats. It comes with 2 bottles in here. I'm going to save this for later. What I'm really interested in is they sent me their Thermo Chromic liquid. This is that mood ring liquid that's been the rage this year. 2 grams. In this little pot. I've already just opened it to take a peek. It was sealed. It smells like some kind of shampoo. I'm not sure. This will be my first time ever playing with it. And this is their solid painting nail gel, color 001, which I believe is black. Still sealed. The black that never comes out of the pot. That is so cool. As a lot of you know, I am known to spill black, whether it's stamping polish, gel polish, whatever. I spill it, I get it all over. So first I'm going to paint this on the nail. And I'm going to do a little design with my mood ring as well. Give this a cure and I'll give it one more coat. Okay, I'm still trying to get used to using the solid painting gel because the stuff doesn't move. So it's like the opposite. It's like getting back used to learn how to use nail polish because it doesn't self-level, but yet it doesn't dry. So I'm probably going to have a few streaks in there, and I didn't use base coat because it's just a practice nail. I mean, the stuff does not move. I'm still trying to figure out exactly how to use this. I'm going to try their Thermo Chromic liquid. I think I'm going to put it down pretty soon. I've pulled out a couple little nail charms. I put them in my little charm bendy thing, and I just smushed it down because this nail has a strong C curve on it. They were curved already. I wasn't sure if I would use oval or circle. I think I'm going to use oval. I'm going to use a little bit of Yayoge builder gel in a bottle. It's one of my favorite builder gels in a bottle so far. I'm not exactly sure where I'm going to place it, so I'm just going to basically encapsulate that black color all over, give it a little more depth to it. And if you have lumps or bumps, you know, do the little upside down trick, let it smooth out for you. I'm going to put on this little doodad first. This is similar to how I did my thumbnail with the hearts on it. Plop it down on there. Just going to move it to where I want it. See how it's thick, but yet it will run on you, so don't take too much time. Go upside down a little bit more. And I'm going to go ahead and give this a quick flash cure. And I did mean quick. I mean, I just put it in the lamp, let it just so that it doesn't move. It's still tacky. So I'm getting out my Thermo Chromic liquid. I've never tried this before. I've seen it done so many times. It looks so cool. I know this is going to have to dry, so I'll either put it on the screen or I'll put it down in the description how long it took to dry. Okay, I'm probably going to do 2 coats just because I'm seeing the black show through a lot. I don't know if it's going to show after it dries. I really can't remember from other people's videos. Okay, now I finally figured out what I did wrong earlier. I went back and just put a tiny drop on and smeared it around with a toothpick or a dotting tool or whatever. And then I took out the same fan that I use. I have a link for this on Amazon. It's just a battery operated fan, rechargeable. I turned it on and let it dry. You can see it getting cool right here. That's how I do my removable peel off base coats. Then I redid another drop, let it dry, and we get this cool effect. Look at that. And then I forgot that I didn't do a few other things that I wanted to do. I just wanted to get in here and play with that. My idea was to turn it into a full like ring, but I'm just gonna skip that for now. And I wanna see if it'll change color if I put builder gel over it. Just make it like more like a real mood ring. I'm sure if it's on my finger, it would change color. If I wore the nail for a while, the temperature would change from underneath. I just want to see what effect it would get in a 3D kind of format. I'm just basically, I forgot to put down the wet layer first. So I'm making sure that it all touches up to the edges. I'm putting another drop on top. Wait for that little tail to go away. Turn it upside down. I'm gonna put it in the lamp, turn the lamp on, and put it in there upside down at first. Okay, and fresh out of the lamp, it's looking black. You're not supposed to touch your gel until you have the top coat on. So let me get out some top coat. I'll throw a couple gems on the side since I was gonna put chains on the side, but I just lost. Look, it's changing color when I'm touching the top coat. Just grab a couple of gems to add a little something to it. I don't know what I did with my chain while I was blow drying it. Maybe I blew it off. I don't know. I have something else on there. So let me cure this and come back and we'll play with it, see if it will change color. Okay, fresh out of the lamp, it's looking black. It's looking pretty cool from the side. Let's see if I touch it, if it changes colors. It's changing to blue when I'm touching it. This is so cool. Let me get out my little fan and let's just see what happens. Turns this gorgeous blue. Oh, it's turning green. So it still changes color right through the hard gel on top. That's pretty cool. So if I were wearing this, I would assume that it would change color on my nail itself. That'd be so cool. I just want to give that a try. Well, thank you everyone for being here with me today. Remember, if you use this very, very thin coat, just like a drop for this amount of coverage, spread it around, put another drop, let it dry with a fan preferably, put another drop on, spread it around. This doesn't need to be cured. It's an air dry formula. It's pretty cool. I'll put the links for this down below. Thank you everyone for watching. Thank you Modelones for sending this to me. It's really cool. I really like that. That's just so cool. Well, thank you everyone. Have a great day. Till next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.